whenever I get into G tuning, I always think of the Tennessee Waltz. Played it on a gig once, I remember. Is the dobro in G?
Yes.
Chris?
Joe, come on.
Again?
No, that's brilliant. Leave that. Keep it rolling.
Okay.
That's Alan Taylor's grand plan.
Is the,
Dobro.
is that what he calls? Is the dobro in G?
No.
Is it G?
Yes.
Come on.
Why did you ask that question twice?
I was dancing with my darling to the Tennessee Waltz when an old friend I happened to see. I introduced him to my darling, and while they were dancing, my friend stole my sweetheart from me. I remember the night and the Tennessee Waltz, and I knew just how much I had lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were playing the beautiful Tennessee Waltz. Spend my time drinking and trying to forget where or when. But I look into my whiskey and then I start thinking, and the Tennessee Waltz plays again. I remember the night and the Tennessee Waltz, and I know just how much I had lost. Yes, I lost my little darling